I texted her earlier and I gave her picture, the picture that I posted in Discord for you to see, and I asked her if you want, come and get it. And she said, oh, I don't know if we're gonna go outside because it's not nice and all of that. Take your time, Mimi. Calscott, how are you? Did you make pizza or not? Calscott, did you make it? I made the dough, so I'm gonna have pizza tonight. Standing out front. Okay, I don't think I can put it on top of each other because I have nothing, you know. And this one is heavy. I'm afraid to do this. Maybe like this on, yeah. Okay, I go outside. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. How to carry them both. One there. I leave the mic here and be right back. Was good. Okay.